Lobster rolls on the menu today, everybody, at Cindy's Certified Recipes. So come on over and join my team and hit that subscribe button. Now let's get steamy. I have my steamer going over here, getting all nice and steamy. And believe it or not, lobster is sweeter when it's steamed versus boiled. So we're gonna place all these tails in there. And they are gonna steam approximately 6 to 8 minutes. And then we will take them out to cool. That's all you gotta do, and put the lid back on, and we'll check them in 6 to 8 minutes. These look beautiful, and they are done steaming, so we're gonna take them out so they can cool down and be handled to get them out of their shell. So while those are cooling, we're gonna start browning up our gorgeous split top rolls. We got our beautiful lobsters over there cooling, and while they're doing that, I'm gonna toast up these really nice top split rolls. Get some butter over here. I like to really butter these up good. That's the whole point, right? Lots of butter with lobster is a good thing. Those are looking nice and brown with a little crispiness. Nice crispy buttery edges. And now we're gonna go take our lobsters out of their shell. They're nice and easy to handle now. And we're gonna start filling up these rolls. I got all my lobster tails here ready to get them deshelled. And I gotta tell you, I cheated a little bit because these guys are a little rough on my hands. And I have poultry shears that I cut the splines here before I steamed them, just to make this, like I said, a little easier. Shellfish is rough on my hands. So I just crack them up like that, pull the meat out, and keep going till they're all out of those shells. There we go. Now let's get rid of these shells, and we're going to start filling up those beautiful rolls. All of our lobster meat is out of those shells, and I just like to cut it in big chunks. You want nice big chunks in your rolls. There we go. We're going to place those chunks in the bowl. There we go. I'm going to drizzle those with just a little bit of butter. Like that. Set those over here. Then we're going to bring over our rolls. Just going to part them a little bit and start stuffing that meat in there. And believe it or not, lobster rolls originated from the people who fished for them, lobstermen. And all they did was take a lobster and put it on bread. And that's how this started. So just plain old lobster, fresh from the sea, put on bread. And we're going to drizzle more butter over that. We made a trip many years ago to Maine, and this is how you get them most often, is simply lobster, butter, and a beautiful split top roll. And there is your lobster roll. Cheers to all those hardworking lobster harvesters out there for making this delicious moment. Enjoy, everybody. These lobster rolls go great with my crunchy coleslaw and crispy onion ring recipes that we'll leave a link to at the end of this video. And as always, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.